Well, we just survived the series to be able to play another game. Yun lang. But I really give, it's just already paulit-ulit that you give credit to the players, pero talagang where else can you give the credit to but to the players that did not give up despite all the adversities and all the disadvantages that we have. And yun lang naman nagdadala sa amin yung fighting hard as a champion. Yun lang naman nagdadala And I hope we can carry that over to Sunday's game. We were up by 18, 16, we fell into a lap. They caught up, which is, we knew that they can catch up because of their firepower, but we held on to win, and I thank the Lord that we held on to win. Dapat 2-0 na kami. Pero okay lang. Oh. Okay lang. At least makalaro kami ng standard. Thank you. Thank you.